Hello, is this lift number
Hello,
one?
is this lift number one?
Hey,
Mark's having a ride. Oh, it's lost it.
Going down. Please mind the door.
Wow!
Going down.
That was quick! They fixed it!
Ground floor. Doors open.
There might be someone waiting because it said going down.
It's 3 rides.
Going up.
We'll stay on all of the rides unless there's people
Please
waiting.
mind the doors. Doors closing.
We gotta let them on.
Going up.
Gosh.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
Jamie, that took quick, didn't it? Jamie! Did it?
Going down.
Aaron!
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Bye!
Going down.
Here we go again.
Ground floor. Doors open.
Oh god, that's what made it say anti-service.
Might just pick one.
Going up.
We won't see Jamie and Aaron in B&Q. We won't.
Mind the doors. Doors closing.
Is Aaron gonna hear the alarm in Castlepoint?
Going up.
We're back in Castlepoint!
Floor 1. Doors open.
They went stuff.
One more ride.
Please mind the doors.
Wow!
Doors closing. Going down.
Didn't take 100 million years! Didn't! This is a bit.
Ground floor. Doors.
Okay. You like this? Oh!
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
For the one last time. That was a car. Oh, Jamie rubbing his own chin.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
There we go.
That's up, lift up. B&Q next to us, Jamie.
How are you? So, is it just us going in B&Q? Yeah, my mum had left us in there earlier as well.
My mum's. We might as well do the B&Q one 3 times. Pulling in this one this time, mate.
Aaron's never been on this before.
B&Q in Castlepoint.
And it's just gone down. But I pressed it though.
Someone sent it down.
So that means we'll have to let them out. It might be a trolley. Yeah. No, we'll get an eye on it.
We have to go to one meeting.
Oh, that's how they open. It's gates.
As well.
Probably. They're all, even the customer lift. Is it actually going up? Oh yeah, it is going up. Oh,
Maybe like to let that out.
I thought it'd be a flatbed.
But still, let them out.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, you
think
click 0. Aaron, you coming on?
Oh, I think you're in the centre.
Doors closing.
Oh no.
Still as fucking loud as it was after. Don't hangman it.
Lift going down.
Oh my god. 3 rides on this.
Like going on, actually going down something.
How many rides are you taking?
We do too.
Ground floor.
Fuck it.
Doors opening.
I pick 1.
You better stand back here.
Doors closing.
And then you won't hang around it then.
I'll hangman it.
Lift going up.
Sounds dodgy, doesn't it? Or is it how it's meant to sound?
Probably how it's meant.
It's hydraulic, so it will be. A bit
Oh, it will
noisier.
be.
Floor 1.
Here we
Doors
go.
opening.
Coming on again, or are you getting out?
No.
So
I will coming on
last
for 2 more.
Doors
See ya.
closing.
2.
Doors opening.
Do it again.
Doors closing. Lift going down. Ground floor. Doors opening.
Anyone waiting?
No.
Doors
Good
closing.
work, Al.
Lift going up. Floor 1. Doors opening.
Anyone want to go?
No.
1 more ride.
Doors closing. Lift going down.
Ava. So you're going to be understanding me a lot.
Ground floor.
I only
Doors opening.
rides.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
I want to do it
No.
for me.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
There we go.
I wonder if lift number 4 be on.
Doors closing.
There's
Doors opening.
Oh my god. Oh,
That was
oh,
what's
that was
coming.
handy.
Closing.
Because that man wanted to come in.
Doors opening.
Yeah.
Go to the next one.
Still buff.
Yeah. Still out of service.
Inspection.
Oh, it's on inspection. It won't work.
Stuck.
There you go. That's it. And this is lift number 2.
Is Aaron, are you coming on there? No! Wow!
Yeah.
That's quick.
What? Okay.
Imagine we didn't get to go on it before Jamie got out because it was busy. Imagine if... Oh, they could get on first time. Yes! It's until Jamie gets out of ours that we're going on this one. It's faster! It's not meant to go fast. So anything can happen. It's meant to go slow. God, watch out. Dean! My turn to click G. I reckon we are getting stuck. Oh, we could have to get out after. Also, it could be them again. First 2 times we didn't have to get out. Oh my god. Oh god. Huh? Oh yes! What break for us.
There we go.
Let you on.
Yeah.
Another more lights.
It is going hard, it is going.
G,
Yeah.
we're gonna get a lot of trolleys coming.
This is when we get a lot of trolleys coming. I think it's my turn again.
Yeah.
This is when we get a lot of trolleys coming. This.
It's probably going faster because people keep using it.
This is when we get a lot of trolleys coming. Are you using the lift? Yeah. What? Yeah, it's been broken this morning as well. It's always broken, that thing. This lift's good, though.
But, alright, it's been tested 2 times.
Oh.
Pretty like engineers testing.
Yeah.
Didn't get stuck.
No.
It's good. You don't want it to either. Get him on.
Yeah. We'll wait here.
Oh, G, the other button.
Yeah.
Did have to say shit, he did.
I'll call it in again. Oh.
You, G, wouldn't take him anywhere. I reckon 3 we won't have to get out at you, Chitty, I reckon.
Even when Katie was not there, we had to get out at you.
That was what happened when Katie was there.
It was.
Dean! Oh! Oh! Alternates!
I just click chair.
No, you're an item. Our Marshall. But I've always been with aim on the lift, bro. How to get out?
Oh well, we'll let him go up on it.
We'll let you get up.
Yeah.
Before we get up again.
At least we can wait in the shade. Hi.
Don't think it's...
Okay.
Now I'm hard. Whoa, that's hard.
Your turn to click G.
No,
you
now.
couldn't. Yeah.
Did have to get out of shit. We did that. Oh.
How do you know Jamie and Aaron won't be out by the time we've done this?
It's deed. Come on. Number 1, yeah.
Yeah. We've got to raise him up with someone else on it.
No. Wow, it's going faster. Wow.
Get in there.
G. It's Jamie and Alan now.
Nope.
We can have to get out of Jane. No.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Still no Jamie.
Unless they know we want to go up, go down again.
So they're clicking it for us.
They might want to use it up. No, it's not them. I don't know who clicked it.
Maybe they think we want to get down on it again. So they've clicked it for us.
Mine's has got you, G? I know yours.
Oh, she's going to want to get on it.
Oh shit. Oh, they've gone to live 3 now.
That's a Sainsbury's staff member. Should we get out a minute?
Yeah.
So don't want to break it.
It's going hard as it is.
We've had our 3. We've had.
Sure G's been clicked again.
No, it hasn't. Who's
I'll call it in this
Yeah.
time from you, G. It's them, Aaron. I thought that was another purse. You did it. Do it again. Jamie, I had it.
Never get. I want to listen to it going. I'll never get it going. Oh, that girl's still. Never get it.
I was going a bit slower. Now it's going. Not much.
Shame. It's. You click it now.
Oh, even it stops hard. I mean. Number 2, we had to get out one at a time, Snum.
So.
No, it's always 2 we have to get out. And 3 we can stay on. Anyways, it's lift number 3.
This is lift number 3. And Jamie has managed to get a spec. Who's.
My turn.
Anyone getting on now?
Yeah, they all go for 2. Yeah.
No, not necessarily. Mine's click G. I think it had already been clicked.
Didn't know it does it when it's not there.
Oh God.
This one is slower than 2.
3 right on this.
Yeah, I hope I don't get stuck either. Can he so couldn't didn't have to get out?
Right, this is.
Where's Alan Marsh? Smooth artist.
One more ride. Oh yeah, my turn.
The Queen Defender Road.
Right, let's listen to the motors of the last time.
This one is oversensitive.
I think it is. Oh no, I thought he was easy then.
Still got to do 4, 5 and 6.
Let's see. It's number 4, Paul. I'm calling it, remember. Although it doesn't light up. It'll work, still work. Castlepoint. Mark's having a ride. Good evening.
Going down.
Clicking.
Please
Oh,
mind
there's
the
still
doors.
hot signs.
Doors closing.
How do it work those kids downstairs?
Going down.
Oh, Sam Spratney. Aaron.
Level 0. Doors open.
It's actually not thanking Aaron.
Is it mine to click?
Yeah.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Oh, wait, up. Always doesn't say. I see always with Aaron we get stuck. Calls about
Level 1.
another ride, enough. 2 more.
Doors opening.
Your turn to click 0.
Please
What if we
mind
want
the
to
doors.
want?
Doors closing. Going down.
Oh, Sam Spratney.
Level 0.
I got jacks so we don't have to get out.
Doors opening.
Oh, it's same person.
Yeah, you.
Please mind
Oh, he's
the
going
doors.
towards Fritz.
Doors closing.
Where's he going?
Towards the Oaklands.
Going up.
He's just texting. Not that usual security
Level
guard. No, I don't think he is security, isn't he?
No.
Doors
Unless he
opening.
sends them off.
Please
Oh,
mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Oh, Sam Spratney. If he'll see we're stuck if we get stuck.
Level
Is he
0.
still there?
Yikes.
Doors opening.
Is he still there?
Uh, one last time, go back up
Please
to 1.
mind the doors. Doors
Say hello to
closing.
Aaron again.
Going up.
Oh, Greg. What was he doing? Just texting on his phone.
Level 1.
Is he going towards lift 5? No.
Doors opening.
So what are you?
Mind the doors. Doors closing.
Lift 5's next.
This is lift number 5. Your turn to call in this one.
There's lift number 5.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
We don't refuse. No one.
Doors opening. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Level
That isn't
1.
you, G, that man.
Where is he?
Doors opening.
Unless he's the late shift security guard, unless
Please
Maybe.
mind the doors.
We know the day
closing.
shift. And we know the day.
Going
Oh, he
down.
waved at us, he. Oh, did he? Yeah, he. Even the late shift security guards
Level
don't not
zero.
fall in the late shift one.
Doors opening.
And everyone don't mind filming here, Marlon's
Please mind the doors.
That's inside.
Doors closing.
He
Going
waved as
up.
we'll go down. He waved. Did you see Alan?
What?
Yes.
Level 1.
Anyone getting on?
Nope. Well, there's no one there either.
Doors opening.
Still there, that security guard.
Unless it's patrolling.
One
for
was
sheep.
shoot.
One last ride
Oh yeah.
Please
before we
mind
move to the
doors.
next one.
Doors
One last.
closing.
Oh no, he didn't see us.
Going down.
Before we move to the
One
next.
of these got the keys to rescue you from the lifts
He probably does.
if you get trapped in it.
Level 0. Doors opening.
We don't want to press it long because there's cost.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up. Level 1. Doors opening.
That's it for this lift. That's.
He'll probably be by lift 6 next.
He does great service in
Doors
in
closing.
Sonic KTWC that security guard direct. Unless he lift number 6.
My turn this what? Activate, don't need to get on it.
We'll let them on if they do.
Right, last lift 3 times.
Oh yeah, they have. Rebecca's done an inspection on this lift. So
That's had a lady.
this. Someone called Rebecca's come out for this once. And nothing happened. Probably dodging people or. Oh, they were going out with G. They were getting out.
Do they have helmets or not?
Yes!
I don't know why I ended up clicking the button so many times.
Dodgy man! Oh, he's going up the escalator. Who? That person. And he's not as dead.
So if I just click. Oh yeah, it's.
You're not allowed to lift surf, only lift ride. Wonder if Rebecca found any faults with lift 6. Thanks. Dodgy man! Unusual at Castlepoint. No. Stalvey go. I bet it would have malfunctioned one of the times if it was open. Oops. This time with Alan we didn't get stuck.
You've still got time for it to not open.
Emergency.
Sir.
Starting from ground floor.
Who's... Are you and I'll call in too? I bet he'll do 2 shot. Oh, I bet he'll do. That's people with UGs.
Actually did 2 shot. Actually not there. Actually. It re-leveled as we clicked the button, it re-leveled. Oh. And it's slower.
Bloody pissing bloody re-leveled as we clicked the button. That was a big bug. That was a big bug. That's...
Might have to click it, might. Thought we were stuck, but the doors were open.
I can tell Aaron it re-leveled when we get back down.
Didn't use 2, Leach.
2's going down to G.
Re-leveled.
It did accept it.
Actually, you sure it ain't broken? I was about to see it.
It definitely accepted it.
Here we are, here it is.
Now, is it going to re-level from it?
Your turn.
No. It's your turn.
Oh yeah, that's because we started on G. This is... It actually re-leveled when it's not that, it actually...
Are you sure it ain't broken?
It keeps re-leveling, it keeps... If we get stuck, we've got an alarm to it. We'll have to see it's from the lift kept re-leveling as well.
That's happened. It's going to happen again. It's going to happen up here as well.
Might. 2, that doesn't mean 2 will keep doing it. Oh no, that one doesn't. This one's been broken. I had to tell Eleanor it kept going up a bit when we went down to G. Oh god.
Oh, we have to get out.
It's going to re-level for them. It kept bloody doing it. I know it's jolty this thing. So I know this.
Yeah.
Why did it didn't do it? Fine.
Jamie, it re-leveled twice. It re-leveled. I think we're doing one more ride, so that was only 2. No, it wasn't, so we had to get out.
At UG as well.
We might as well do this one, so I've called it in now.
It's going to bloody re-level when I click UG. It's not hard re-levels, it's doing it's... Boom. I bet it does it again when I go in. Well, it did. Sure. It didn't the second time. So it can do it when it ain't obnoxious.
But it's not as like Mark having a ride.
Do you reckon this lift's a bit broken?
Yeah, I reckon it is.
So it is making funny noises.
No, it didn't.
Again! It didn't accept it. This needs to be reported. It's doing it all the bloody time. Ain't doing it up here, it's down below.
It keeps doing it. No, my turn. Has it accepted it?
Huh? Keeps going smooth, Oleg. I just said lift constantly levels, lift
Most I've seen a lift bloody re-level.
just as fucking bad as the next lift. It's just as fucking. This one, it's just as. Now it's going all low pitch. So it is broken. Now it's
It's a bit dodgy, this lift.
a bit too such mind skip.
That one's going to do it as well.
No, it won't.
No, I think it was upstairs. Now.
It'll be thicker if it does.
No, it doesn't.
Just as my did. How come this one didn't? How come? Smooth! You can get stuck in there. So that no. Don't think it will.
Oh, he wants to use it. Oh no. Whose turn? No, my turn.
How come this one ain't re-leveling? Now, this one ain't as broken as free. So this one ain't. So I reckon it's all right. If you're free to go out of service, out on cat gun funny. A woman cleaner in the eve.
Does she want to use it?
You want us to get you, G? Or
Is it?
Yeah. Ooh!
Oh, 2 trolleys.
It's gonna be level.
There we go. 2 trolleys.
Had to get out a UG for this number 30. I hope it can fit to.
Yeah, it can.
It won't be able to fit 3. It's gonna open it for that.
Whose turn?
Your turn. This lift ain't as broken as 3. This 3 is broken. Oh. Even ended with a G, starting from G. Day till day away, did we? It re-leveled. It was for free. Our turn, it's...
Your turn. Is this second ride?
Thinks. Oh, That's because we kept them to get out.
We'll take one more, and then when we get back here at the exit. My turn.
No, it's mine. I nearly picked it, but how I knew.
Get confused at the start of the G, I get. And then go down to G. Then that's it. Then.
100 J said one more. Then we'll go back in it.
It's whistle, isn't it? Here we are, G.
This one won't go up just because 3 did.
There it goes, and that's it.